Are you ready to unlock the secrets of castor oil? Join us on a journey to discover the incredible wonders of this versatile oil that goes beyond just skincare. Castor oil, derived from the Ricinus communis plant, has a rich history in traditional medicine, particularly in India, where it's been celebrated for addressing various health issues. Now let's discuss the health secrets of castor oil. First, enhances joint health. Castor oil, known for its multi-purpose nature, becomes a hero in promoting joint health. It's a reliable relief for those grappling with aching joints and swelling. The unique components in the oil combat joint inflammation, alleviating pain and tightness. Chronic inflammation can be detrimental, but castor oil steps in to soothe and heal joints. By penetrating deep into the skin and tissues, it lubricates joints, improving movement and reducing stiffness. Moreover, it enhances blood flow, delivering healing nutrients and oxygen while eliminating toxins, ultimately minimizing swelling and discomfort. The strengthening effect on muscles and ligaments takes the pressure off joints, contributing to overall joint health. Second, aids in sleep. Enter castor oil, a potential solution for sleep issues. It's easy, just a bit on your eyelids before bed. This natural method helps you unwind, promoting better sleep. Not a fan of oily eyelids? No problem. Try aromatherapy with essential oils. Mix some castor oil with your favorite essential oil and apply it to your temples for a soothing effect. Popular choices are peppermint, lavender, and rose. Now let's talk constipation. It's a common woe, but castor oil might lend a helping hand. Acting as a gentle laxative, it aids in moving food through your gut, making bathroom visits easier. People swear by its effectiveness, especially for those dealing with constipation or prepping for a checkup. Just take it orally and let your body work its magic. Research has found that castor oil can ease constipation. In a study with older adults, it made going to the bathroom easier and less strained. It's also useful before medical exams like a colonoscopy. Remember, a small amount of castor oil is good. Too much can cause stomach upset, diarrhea, or cramps. If you have long-term health problems, it's best not to use it. Instead of castor oil, try eating yogurt or curry for constipation. They have good bacteria that help your gut and make your stool softer. Foods like beans and clear soup are also helpful. They're full of nutrients like folate, zinc, and vitamin B6. Castor oil can make hair healthier and shinier. It might help hair grow thicker, stronger, and faster, similar to coconut oil. It also helps untangle hair and can be used to treat twisted hair that turns into a hard lump. Can castor oil help regrow hair? Yes, because it increases blood flow to the hair roots, speeding up hair growth. That's why people use it on their eyebrows and eyelashes too. Some studies suggest that ricinoleic acid in castor oil can help with hair loss by affecting a certain hormone. If your hair is thick or tends to get frizzy, adding a few drops of castor oil to your conditioner can make it smoother. Use it once or twice a week for the best results. For a deep treatment, apply castor oil before bed, wear a shower cap, and wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner in the morning. You might need to shampoo twice to get all the oil out. Castor oil also helps strengthen your immune system. It supports the lymphatic system, which gets rid of extra fluid, proteins, and waste from our cells. Castor oil improves blood circulation and supports the health of the thymus gland, which is part of the immune system. For a long time, people have turned to castor oil to ease joint and back pains, relieve constipation, and tackle stomach problems. In a study, it was found that using castor oil packs on the stomach increased the production of lymphocytes, crucial cells in the immune system that combat germs and toxins. Castor oil isn't just limited to physical discomfort. It's also believed to support heart health and help with digestive issues like constipation. But castor oil's benefits don't end there. It can also assist in cleaning dentures, particularly for older individuals who may struggle with keeping them spotless. Maintaining dentures is crucial to avoid issues like candida infection, leading to conditions like denture stomatitis. Soaking dentures in a castor oil mix has been shown to reduce infection symptoms and combat fungus in older adults with dentures. Remember, while castor oil has various benefits, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor, especially if you're using products with castor oil on wounds or for other health purposes. Castor oil also steps in to tackle inflammation and pain. This natural remedy is known for its ability to fight swelling and provide relief. Inflammation, which is our body's response to injury or infection, can lead to serious problems like arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes if left unchecked. Castor oil contains rolic acid, a superhero in blocking substances that cause inflammation. It acts as a natural painkiller thanks to its fatty acids. These fatty acids work wonders in relieving pain from arthritis, sore muscles, and period cramps by increasing blood flow. But that's not all. Castor oil also comes to the rescue for bug bites, bruises, and small wounds. Applying it directly helps reduce puffiness and soreness while easing the pain. Additionally, it lends support to the lymphatic system, aiding in the elimination of body waste and fluids. This process is crucial as a poorly functioning lymphatic system can lead to swelling. Castor oil proves its versatility by helping treat fungal infections. Whether they appear on the skin, nails, or scalp, castor oil serves as a traditional remedy. While regular medicines might struggle, castor oil steps up to the challenge and works effectively. When you apply castor oil to areas affected by fungus, it helps stop the fungus from growing and spreading, eventually eliminating it altogether. Castor oil can also reduce inflammation, providing relief from discomfort. Additionally, if a fungal infection leaves your skin dry and flaky, castor oil can moisturize it, reducing itchiness and dry patches. Castor oil is particularly beneficial for dry skin. If you're tired of your skin feeling dry even after using various lotions and creams, castor oil might be the solution. It naturally keeps your skin moist thanks to its ricinoleic acid content, which helps lock moisture in. Unlike many moisturizing products that contain additional ingredients, pure castor oil can be used without worrying about skin irritation or other problems. Plus, it's cost-effective, saving you money. You can apply it all over your body, not just on your face, to keep your skin soft. Many people mix it with other oils like coconut or almond for enhanced moisturizing effects. Remember to perform a patch test on a small area of skin before using it extensively to ensure you're not allergic. Castor oil also promotes healthy digestion by aiding in the movement of food through your intestines, making it beneficial for those who struggle with constipation. It encourages regular bowel movements and maintains a happy belly. Moreover, castor oil helps cleanse your gut, removing toxins, especially for individuals exposed to pollution or who consume excessive junk food. Additionally, it combats bloating and gas, which can result from stress. Using castor oil can be beneficial for your health in various ways. This oil supports the growth of good bacteria in your stomach, promoting overall health and preventing tummy troubles. Additionally, castor oil has been traditionally used to initiate labor in pregnant women. It works by promoting bowel movements, irritating the womb, and starting contractions. Research from 2018 suggests that 89% of women who used castor oil to induce labor had babies without complications. Studies also show that taking castor oil orally is a safe method to prepare the cervix for childbirth. However, it's essential to note that castor oil may lead to nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. Some healthcare professionals caution against its use, as it could potentially cause the baby to pass a bowel movement before birth, posing risks. Always consult your doctor before considering castor oil to induce labor. Beyond labor induction, castor oil offers a range of health perks from skincare benefits to easing constipation. This natural remedy has been trusted for years to address various health concerns. Whether you're looking to improve your hair, skin, or digestion, castor oil is worth a try. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more valuable health advice. We're committed to bringing you ways to lead a healthier and happier life. Keep exploring the wonders of natural remedies and stay well informed.